There is a beginning, there is an end, and in between, there are roads.
It's not about bragging rights or the trophy. It's not about the hit list or the kill shot. It's about learning life lessons from our fathers, uncles, and grandfathers. Teaching our sons and daughters. Telling hunting camp stories around campfires that never get old. It's about the tradition, the brotherhood, the opportunity to share God's creation with our family. It's a way of life, a culture rooted deep in our country's heritage, the foundation for what our country is today. We are proud to hunt, proud to pass on the tradition to the hunters of tomorrow.